Yes, what it is, man. It's your boy Congo Lion Crypto, and I'm back with another one. Yeah, another one. Anyway, man, don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you haven't signed up for Crypto.com yet, check in the description. I got the link in the description. All you have to do, use that link to sign up. You get 25, and I get 25. And that's just a beautiful way to start your crypto journey with $25. You know what I'm saying? So that's what it is, man. Let's talk a little bit about crypto today, man. Crypto looking good. I noticed a couple of my coins on the top gainer. You know, I always love to see that. VVS was good. VVS on the top gainer, you know what I'm saying, peaking up. So once you see VVS start peaking up like that, that tells me that VVS is ready to take a run, you know what I'm saying? And Sheba's still right there. And then the man of the hour is Tectonic. You know what I'm saying? That's what I really want to talk about, Tectonic, because I just invested in Tectonic last week, and I wish I would have known, because I would have put more money in Tectonic. You know what I'm saying? So let's go over to Tectonic and see how Tectonic been doing since I first bought it. Right? Let's see. Let's see what Tectonic. Let's see, Mr. Tectonic. So on January 26th, I bought 90 million Tectonic. I paid $50 for it. $51, and with the fees, and I end up paying $52 for 90 million. Right now, if you want 90 million Tectonic, it's gonna cost you 160. Yeah, $160. So that tells you at 2x my money, and it's gonna cost you 160 something. So 2x my money, from there. And that's what I'm saying. I wish I would have known, so I would have put way more. But that's just the game. That's the game. It's a learning process, and you never know. But that's why you have to take chances. You take chances. Uh, but that day, I spent 50, and 2 days later, I went back and I spent another 100, and I bought 110 million right here. You see where it was at the time. It was like 60915 at the time. So it was up a little, but overall, I'm still looking good. I'm still looking good. I started with $150. I lost 30 million coin, and I'm still up. I'm still up. I'm still 1x my money right now. So that's a good look. That's a good look for Tectonic, man. And I don't know, but I know the way it looks, Tectonic gonna keep going, and Tectonic have a lot of room. Tectonic have room to grow. You know, if I would have spent a little bit more last week, say for instance, I would have bought a billion Tectonic. Let's see how much money I would have been looking at right now if I would have bought a billion Tectonic last week, right? Okay, that would have cost me. It would have cost me like 500, say 560, say 565, right? Say I spent 565, and I buy 1 billion Tectonic last week. How much would I made by this week? Okay. Times, it was 0.60, I think. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 60. 1. I think it was 60. Damn, I'm okay. Let me look. Ain't no sense of try to guess when I could just check, right? Okay. So so I want to see what it is now. So now it's so let me drop a zero and see. Drop a zero. Oh, stoops. Okay. So drop a zero, and we have 50193. That's what it is right now. So if you had a billion Tectonic last week that you would have spent $565 for, today, that billion tectonic would worth $1,930. Uh, that's at 565. So your profit would be $1,365 profit in, what is it, 8 days, 7 days, within 7 days, which that's not bad, you know. If you have a $1,300 profit in 7 days, that's not bad. You just, and you only spend 500. That's it. That's all you spend. And from the looks of it, tectonic have a long way to go. Tectonic have room to grow. It's just gonna keep getting better and better. It's gonna keep getting better and better. And VVS Finance is the same thing. Anything that's on the crypto.com blockchain, I'm messing with it because I know the crypto, they really promoting hard right now. So anyway, man, that was the video there. Tectonic, how much you could really make on this crypto. Really, you could make a lot of money. So if you haven't signed up for crypto.com, use my link to sign up. And that's what it is, man. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I'm going to keep bringing these crypto content. It's your boy Congo Lion Crypto. We out.